Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Hado si hajar san spak teli kilong yeng ki badong bakardo ki badan haki benta ba pero per jokari khasi kilayo jing mento shikat dai e haden baka Shillong Marwari community kala bai jerap da ka ba ais ma bhai ki marbam bakan thop yu khaw dai ka umpriang bam bat kamunu da ka bai trelang bat ka sanjuk kinong sensyas nong ka bri nyu trap bat yakini ki marbam ka balang ru ka sen ka baar bat pelai lasam ha ka jelang ka balalong hak bai trek mento na yong arajar apo yakini ki marbam labha marbiang sheki saus pa teli kilong yeng joki nyu teli kisno Kibah apa ke Maulai tahun dorbar, lai sepak teli kiyeng. Kibah apa ke dorbar senong nora, lai sepak teli kiyeng. Kibah apa ke dorbar senong lau soton, si sepak teli kilong yeng. Kibah apa ke dorbar senong nong remba, ar sepak teli kilong yeng. Kibah apa ke dorbar senong Klang Wan Broy, bat ar sepak teli kilong yeng. Kibah apa ke dorbar senong Lower Mauprem.
To serve our community during this COVID pandemic. And we are thankful that we have been able to go for the second installment of free ration distribution. And we are really thankful to Mr. Blah and our beloved DC. We are able to maintain at the same rate of 1500%.
Due to the grace of the Almighty, that what we are today, and we do pray to the Almighty, irrespective of what religion we belong. But we believe that there is a hand of the Almighty behind us. He will safeguard our beloved state, and He will safeguard the people of the state of Meghalaya. And with people with such a big heart and generosity like you people who are here today, I strongly believe that not a single soul in our beloved state will sleep with an empty stomach. And this is our motto, this is our theme, this is our principle, that the poorest of the poorest must get help, especially those without any ration card. In the first phase, we had on the 1st of April 2020, in which we could distribute to 1,500 households in different parts of Shillong city. And this is the second phase that we are having today. That is the 12th of April 2020. And these are the different Dorbar Shlongs that we are going to include in the second phase. That is within Maulai Town Dorbar, we have Mausiat Khnam, Renja, Prau, Madan Maukhar, Nong Koklau, Mau Tawar, Sao, Mau Jendrong. In Mausiat Khnam we have 105 number of households. Renja 45 numbers, Prau 45 numbers of household, Madan Maukhar 30 number of household, Nong Koklau 45 numbers, Mautawar 45, and Sao, Mau Jendrong 45, Mautawar 85, sorry. So the total of number of household in this area will be 400 number of household altogether. Then we go to the second Dorbar Shlong, that is the Nongra Dorbar Shlong, comprising of 300 households. Number 3, we are going to cover Lau Soton Dorbar Shlong, where we will be covering 300 number of households as well. In Nongrimba Dorbar, we are going to cover 100 households. And Klang Wan Roy, which is a far-flung area in East Khas Hills. Further, I think another 10 to 15 kilometers from Mountain Ram. The headman is also here with us. We are going to cover 200 households in that far-flung area. And again, coming back to Lower Mauprem, Dorbar Shlong, which is one of the biggest area in this area of ours. In the second phase, in the first phase, we have given them only 30 households, which is quite insufficient with the size of the locality and the population.